Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm finally going to be decorating my house for fall. I will also be doing a little bit of cleaning in today's video. Some of these decorations I had from previous years, but a lot of them I picked up at the Dollar Tree this year. I'm first going to start off by making my centerpiece. I did this same thing for Easter and I loved it. So I just got this vase from Walmart, and then I ended up going in with a mason jar to go into the middle where the flowers will sit. And then I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up some of these pumpkin peeps, and all I did is put them around the mason jar. I love the way that this turned out. I was having problems trying to get the first row in, so I found it the easiest to put them in and then put the mason jar in the middle. You don't need to use a mason jar, you can use another vase. I didn't have anything, so I just used a mason jar.
Glass of wine in the shade of a tree, and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going.
If you want to recreate this, you're going to, depending on your vase, you might need to cut your pumpkins. What I found out is that if you pull them apart, they're going to have an indent on the one pumpkin. So I suggest you just cut the pumpkin to make it more round, and then it will look better in the vase. I picked up these plastic pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. They were only $1. And right away I knew that I wanted them so I could put my wax warmers in them, and it turned out great. I believe I got the pack that has 9 of them and it fit all of them in there, but I love the way that they look sitting next to my wax warmer.
Shadows around the place. It shouldn't take long now in any case, as long as there is light. Pretending I could stay the night, one breath away. Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love we feel is like water in a glass.
I picked up these pumpkins from TJ Maxx 2 years ago, and they are still a staple piece for fall time in my house. I love turning on the pumpkins at nighttime. It brings a cozy feel to the living room. My daughter and I went to Dollar General today because I realized I did not have any garland for the fireplace. So I picked up the garland, and then I saw these garland, I believe, hanging pumpkins, and I thought that they would go so cute together, and I love the way that it turned out. And as soon as I saw this pumpkin wagon, I had to get it. I think it was $6 to $8. I also got the little pumpkins that I put in there from the Dollar Tree too. I think it turned out really cute.
Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down. For someone like me, I'd say I'm settled.
I also got these pumpkins from TJ Maxx a couple years ago. These are a little tinted pink. The other ones were clear, but I love them. And I think these pumpkins are a little bit bigger. My table, I usually don't decorate the table for Halloween, but when I was at the Dollar General, I found a couple things and I decided, what the heck, let's decorate the table.
The sweetest red cheese I'd ever seen. You stand beside me in every dream. Angel goddess, you cover them all. Say, what can I do to get you to fall?
I saw this table runner at Dollar General and I thought it was really cute, so I picked it up. And I also found this spinning thing, and it's a lot smaller than the one that I usually have, so I got that, and then I just put some extra pumpkins on there. And then I got some table mats because I feel like it just tied it all together. My husband made some dip because they were watching the football game, so I was just checking on that. It was so good, you guys.
That deserves you. It's crucial that he deserves you. That he deserves you. With someone like me, I'd say I'm settled.
I went to 2 different Dollar Generals trying to find some fall pillows, and they didn't really have anything. Next year, I'm going to buy some on Amazon, but instead of buying actual pillows, I'm just going to buy pillow covers to go on my pillows, so then they're easier to store. I'm also spraying the couches down with this air freshener. I absolutely love it for the fall time. And here's the family waiting patiently for me to get out of their way so they can watch the football game again. I also picked up this air freshener, or I think it's an air freshener. So what I did is I sprayed my brooms and then I went in and sprinkled this air freshener packet on them. I'm not sure you're supposed to open it. I feel like you're not supposed to do that, but I did. And I regretted doing it after I did it because I don't think that that's going to be safe for dogs. So I think I might just throw them brooms out. They were actually from last year. I cannot find any cinnamon brooms. I know Home Depot has some, but I'm not going to pay $20 for 2 brooms.
But I want you close. Closer than before. And no one knows.
I got these pumpkin candles from the Dollar General, and my daughter actually came up with a really good idea. She told me once the candles are all gone to clean them up and make my own pumpkin candle for next year. So I think I'm going to do that. I also got this skull from the Dollar General and I just filled it with some candy. I loved the eyeball gumballs. They were amazing. I thought they looked so cool. And then I just put another pumpkin candle on there.
Circles around you.
Once I was done, the family was still watching the football game, so I just got myself some dip and some chips, and I just sat down and ate that and watched the game with them. But that was everything in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!